Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over the top 5 car accessories you absolutely must have in 2024 from Amazon. Stick around to the very end for some bonus items. We rely heavily on our cars to get us from point A to point B, especially here in the States, whether it's going out to run errands or going to work. But we need to make sure we are prepared and most comfortable. So let's get started and go over our top 5 items. Item number 1, a tire inflator. With all the weather changes that are happening throughout the year, especially here in Texas, where 1 second it's summer, 1 second is winter, we need to be sure we are prepared for those tire incidents. Let's face it, the last thing we want to do is go to a gas station and fill up air in our tires, have to gather change if we have any. This is 2024, nobody carries change anymore. So it's always best to have this tire inflator ready on deck. This tire inflator is very easy to use. All you have to do is plug it into your cigarette lighter, plug the other end of your tire, pick your desired PSI, turn it on, and it'll fill it to that desired PSI. Item number 2, a battery car starter. This has gotten me and others out of a pinch several times. I've started up a 69 Impala, to a Honda, to even my Tacoma here. I don't know if any of you guys have noticed, but our batteries are not lasting as long, especially with all the technology that we have in our vehicles nowadays. So it's always a good idea to have a battery car starter ready to go. This battery jump starter is very easy to use. Simply have the device fully charged, connect the socket to the device, connect the clamps to the battery, turn on the device, and then it's ready to go for you to crank up your vehicle to turn it on. Item number 3, a phone car mount. Now, number 1 rule in driving is to stay safe. No phones, big no-no. So in order to help us not have our phones in our hands is to get this phone car mount. It's pretty much self-explanatory. We want to be safe. A vehicle can be very dangerous. Eyes on the road, hands on the steering wheels. Quick break for a friendly reminder. Links to all these items are down below. If you are enjoying the video so far, please hit that like button. All right, back to the list. Item number 4, flashlights. This item is pretty self-explanatory. We want to make sure we could see at night should an emergency happen. If we need to get under the chair to look for something, or if we need to change that battery, we want to make sure we see what's going on at night or in the dark. And our final item, number 5, sunshade. With the earth getting warmer and warmer and not everybody having a luxury of a garage or a carport, sunshade really does help keep the vehicles a lot cooler than what it would have been without it. I don't know about you, but when I want to come back to the store, come back from work to my vehicle, I want to try to crank the AC up as quickly as possible, and I do feel these do the job. Now that you've made it this far into the video, it's time for our bonus items. Bonus items are snacks. I know this may sound silly, but the last thing you want to be when you're running errands, stuck in traffic, is hangry, because that will just lead to road rage. Next thing you know, you're on a TikTok video, social media, just showing your bad self all around town because you did not have your snacks. So my only advice to you is to make sure you do have your snacks is when you come home to immediately replenish them so that you're ready to go for the next round. And that is the list. Are there any items that you think should have been added? Comment down below. Once again, links to all the items are down below in the description. Full disclosure, links are affiliate, but they do help out the channel, so thank you for your support. Last but not least, check out my latest video here. Click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Ooh. I'm wearing down. Sweating. Oh my God. Y'all, it's hot. It's hot here in Texas. I think that's it. I tried my best.